Hey fam, I am staying at the Tophams Hotel in central London one day before a cruise in a double room. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, right away to the left, you'll see this half-size mirror. To the right of the door, you'll see the thermostat, and beneath it near the ground, you'll see these outlets. Here is the bed, and next to the bed, you will see a small nightstand and a lamp. Moving further in, here is the desk. Nice chair, small desk, but good enough for me for one night. Here is a little mirror on the desk. On top of the desk is your phone, and right over here, you will find additional outlets. Beneath the desk will be your waste basket. Here is your television, nice size television. It also pivots. And then we go downstairs, and going downstairs, we will come and see the mini fridge. And on top of it, you will find your teapot. There's some cups here, some glasses, and in here, you will find your tea bags, a little bit of snacks as well. And here, this will be if you desire coffee and sugar. Going further down here, this door opens up into your closet. And not a lot of hangers for you, but for me it's okay. But for somebody who may be staying a few days, they may need more than what's in this closet. Above, you'll find your pillows, and this is where you will find your ironing board, your iron, and your safe, and your hair dryer. Now, through this door, you will find your bathroom straight away. You'll find your sink, small sink, and another mirror here, a small one here as well. This corner is your toilet. On top, you will find some products that is provided by the hotel. And here is your towels. And this room has a shower tub combination for those individuals that love to take baths. This is a room for you. So, what do you think about the room? I think it's a good size room for me. I'm only staying here for one night. I do feel that if you're going to stay here for multiple nights, it may be an issue. You may want some more closet space, some more drawer so that you could put some items in. But for one night, I think it's a good room for me. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel and I will appreciate it. And until next time, happy travels.